These holes are too small. I want to take them from this size to this size. How do I do it? I could scribe a mark, take a jigsaw, and make the cut on all four. Too slow, ugly cut. Take a scrap of material, attach it to the surface from the underside, find my center point, and start with the pilot bit. My preferred method, a router. Perfect pattern, ready to use. I size the pattern so that if I flush it with the edge of my material, it'll center the hole right where I want it. If this were a stain grade project like a piece of furniture, this would be an ideal way to cut this large hole without taking the risk in using a big drill bit like this and having it walk or damage the material or even leave a rough edge. This would be a much better cut. But of course, I wouldn't attach the pattern with screws. I would use 23 gauge pins. I could use a pattern bit, and that would be where this bearing would rub right to the inside of the pattern and give me exactly 5.5 inches. I don't like using pattern bits unless I'm forced to. So I'm going to go ahead and use a bushing. This will shrink the overall diameter of the hole by 1/8 of an inch. Pattern, bushing, bit. Perfect every time. I'd like to get a detailed set of plans to build a Polk Smart Bench, a Smart Station, or any of the accessories that work with the system, like the Smart Cart. There's a link in the description of the video down below. Mahalo.